Have you ever dreamt of turning your creativity into a business without worrying about inventory or shipping? Imagine selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or even phone cases, all without touching a single product. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own print-on-demand business step by step. You'll learn how this business model works, how to open and set up your print-on-demand shop, how to create designs to add to products, how to upload designs, and how to market your products. I urge you to watch the video to the end and not skip any steps, as I'll include important tips throughout the video. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get started by defining what print-on-demand is. Print-on-demand, or POD, is a super simple business model where products are created only after a customer places an order. This means you don't need to keep any inventory or buy in bulk upfront. Here's how it works. First, you create or upload your designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Next, you list these products for sale on your store or marketplace. When someone makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped directly to the customer by your POD provider. The best part is there's no need to worry about storage, production, or even shipping. Everything is handled for you. Some of the print-on-demand platforms include Amazon Merch On Demand, Redbubble, Printful, Printify, TeePublic, Teespring, Spreadshirt, and many more. For this video's demonstration, I'll be using Teespring. However, you can explore other platforms and choose the one that suits you best. To get started, I'll just head over to Google and type in Teespring. I'll also include the link in the description of this video so that you can directly access this POD platform. You'll click on this one right here that says teespring.com. When you click on it, this is how the Teespring homepage looks. To start selling on the platform, you'll just click over here where it says Start Creating, or you can click it on this side as well. After clicking Start Creating, it will bring you to this page where you can now enter your name or brand name. For this part, you can even use ChatGPT to get ideas for your brand name. If you're planning to start a t-shirt business, think of some names and then ask ChatGPT to suggest ideas. Once you have a name, fill out this field over here. Next, you'll enter your email address, your password, check the reCAPTCHA box, and click Sign Up. It will then bring you to this part where you need to repeat the brand name you used to set up your store. Note that this name is permanent, so you need to be very careful when entering your information in this field. After you're done, just click Continue, and this should be the dashboard for your store. If you want to switch between different tabs, you can do so from the left corner. The tabs include the home page, upgrades, integrations, analytics, listings, payouts, purchases, tools, and services. You can easily switch between them from this side. Now, let me show you how to add a banner to your shop. You'll come over here and click on this tab that says Stores, then click on Edit Store. It will open the layout editor on the left corner, where you can access the tools to edit your store. There's a section labeled Hero Banner. Click on the pen tool, the edit icon, to get the size for the banner. Once you have the recommended size, I'll show you where to enter it so you can design the banner for your shop. For designing the banner, we'll use Canva. Head over to Canva. If you're new to Canva, I'll include a link in the description for easy access. If you don't have an account, you can create one. If you're unfamiliar with Canva and its interface, I've created a simple Canva guide with part 1 and part 2 videos. I'll leave the links to these videos in the description as well. Now back to the Canva homepage. Click on Custom Size to enter the dimensions recommended by Teespring for the banner, which is 1400 by 800 pixels. Then click Create New Design. When designing the banner, it will depend on your brand style, theme, or target audience. In my case, I'll design a minimalist and aesthetic banner for my brand. You can start by searching for Shop Banners in the Designer tab to see templates. Scroll through the options, and if one fits your style, click on it. You can customize the template by changing the text, fonts, colors, or images. However, for this demonstration, I'll create the banner from scratch. To get started, I'll add text. You can press T on your keyboard to bring up a text box or go to the Text tab on the left. I'll enlarge the text, move it to the desired position, and change it to the brand name I have in mind. I'll then select the text, click on Font, and choose a font that fits my brand. Next, I'll add the brand slogan. I'll insert another text box, make it smaller, and type in the slogan. I'll also change its font. Afterward, I'll align everything and ensure the text is arranged neatly. Now I'll add a background. Head to the Elements tab. Search for a background and select one that matches your style. I'll enlarge the background, position it correctly, and adjust its transparency for a subtle look. Once the banner is ready, I'll download it. Click on Share, then Download. Make sure PNG is selected as the file type and click Download. To upload your banner to Teespring, go back to the Teespring page, click on Select Image, Choose the file from your computer and wait for it to upload. Once the banner is uploaded, you'll see it displayed in your store. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. It's now time to fill up your store and upload designs that you can add to your product, whether it's a t-shirt, a mug, or even a phone case. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to design a t-shirt and upload it to your store. If you're enjoying this video so far, kindly leave a like and feel free to comment if you have any questions. Now I'll show you how to create your design on Canva. To design your t-shirt, you can either start with Canva templates or create your design from scratch. I'll demonstrate both approaches. To get started with Canva templates, go to the search bar in Canva, type t-shirt and press enter. You'll see a variety of pre-designed t-shirt templates. Scroll through the options, find a template that matches your preferred style or theme, and click Customize this template. This will open the template in a new tab where you can edit it. I recommend making changes to these templates rather than using them as they are. For example, you can modify the fonts, colors, or images to suit your brand. Avoid using the template exactly as it is because these designs are created by someone else, and using them unchanged might cause issues. Making adjustments ensures the design is uniquely yours. To create your design from scratch, start by entering the dimensions for your design to create a blank canvas. Then add elements or text needed for your design. In my case, I'll begin by adding text to the design. I'll change the text to something simple and minimal, adjust the font, and tweak the spacing to achieve the desired look. Once I'm satisfied, I'll click Share to download the design. I'll select PNG as the file type and ensure the transparent background option is checked, as I plan to place this design on a white t-shirt. I'll also create a version with white text which can be placed on a black t-shirt if needed. To upload your design, you'll click Create Product. Since I'm designing a t-shirt, I'll add the design to a t-shirt. I'll scroll through the options and find one of the t-shirts. As you can see, the products are organized into collections, such as bestsellers, new products, and trending categories. You can also click View All to see over 180 products available on Teespring's platform. To start designing a t-shirt, you can choose from the top menu under Apparel and select a t-shirt for men or women. I'll click on one of the t-shirts to give you an example. Once selected, it will take you to the design area where you can upload your design. On the left-hand side, you'll see an Add Image button. Click this to upload the design you downloaded from Canva and wait for it to upload fully. The upload progress is shown at the top of the design area. Once uploaded, you can adjust the design to fit within the designated area marked on the t-shirt. After positioning your design, click Preview to see how it looks on the t-shirt. You can also add more colors. For example, since I used black text, I'll select lighter t-shirt colors to ensure the text is visible. Click on the color options, then preview how the design looks on the selected colors. Once you're satisfied with the colors, you can set the pricing. On Teespring, you can adjust the price of your t-shirt while monitoring the profit displayed on the side. For instance, if the default price gives a $7 profit, lowering or raising the price will adjust the profit accordingly. Let's say I want to sell the t-shirt for $18. I'll input this amount and the profit will update automatically. Teespring also offers advanced settings where you can configure additional options, like showing the design on the back or front of the t-shirt. Since my design is on the front, I'll leave it as the default. You can also choose the featured color, which is the main color displayed in your store when someone visits. For this example, I'll keep it white. After finalizing the design, click Continue. The next step allows you to apply the same design to other products available on the platform. Since I want t-shirts only, I'll proceed by clicking Continue, which takes me to the page where I can add a title, description, and URL for the product. You can edit the URL under the Advanced section if needed. Once everything is in place, click Launch Listing. The system will process your listing, and after a short wait, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations, you've now launched your listing. This will be your first product in the store. You can repeat this process to add more designs. One great feature on Teespring is that you can order a sample of your product at a reduced price to check its quality. This is especially useful to ensure your design prints correctly. You can also activate promotions, such as a discount for your first 10 buyers. You can set the percentage, duration, and even customize the promo code name. To activate the promo code, click Activate. You can then view your listing by clicking the link provided, which will take you to your store to review the listing. If any changes are needed, click Edit to make updates to your listing. Now, opening your shop, setting it up, and uploading designs is not all. You also need to drive traffic to your shop and make sales. That's the whole point of starting this business. You need to make money from it, so you must do marketing to tell the world about your amazing brand or your incredible products. You can either use free marketing or paid marketing. Since you're a beginner, I highly recommend starting with free marketing to figure out what works best for you. However, if you can afford to begin with paid marketing, that's great too. The best platform to get started with is Pinterest, but you can also use other platforms like Instagram or TikTok. If you already have samples of your products or product photos you ordered from the POD platform, you can use those by taking photos and uploading them on Pinterest. Since Pinterest is a search engine, ensure your images, titles, and descriptions are optimized for what people are searching for, so your products show up in search results. If you don't have your own products or haven't ordered any samples yet, don't worry. You can still create mockups. I'll show you how to create a mockup on Canva using the design I just created. If you don't have a Pinterest account, you can create one by signing up and choosing a Pinterest business account. If you've made it this far, I'd really appreciate it if you comment the word POD down below in the comment section to confirm that you've made it to this point and to confuse those who haven't. Hopefully, it encourages them to watch till the end of this video. To create the mockup you'll upload on Pinterest, type Pinterest pin on Canva. This will open all the available templates. Scroll through and select one you like. I'll use this one as an example. Open it, and since it's a t-shirt, I'll show you how to add your design to it and download it for use on your account. I'll detach this image from the template, resize the design, and place it where I want it to be. Then I'll delete any elements I don't need in the mockup. You can also find mockups under the Elements tab in Canva by typing T-shirt mockup. Browse through the graphics or photos section to choose a suitable one. I recommend using photo mockups because they look more realistic, especially since these will serve as the images you upload to Pinterest. Next, I'll go back to the design I created. I'll group the elements, copy the design, and paste it onto the mockup. Then I'll resize and adjust it to ensure it fits well. I'll also reduce the transparency to around 97% to make the design look printed on the t-shirt. To download, click Share, then Download, and select PNG as the file type before clicking Download. This is the image you'll upload to your Pinterest account. Make sure the title and description include searchable keywords, and don't forget to include your product link when uploading. I hope this video has inspired you to start your print-on-demand business and make money from it. Remember, success comes to those who stay consistent and believe in what they're doing. Don't quit. Most people give up before they even see results. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe for more amazing content like this. Take care and good luck with your print-on-demand business. I'll see you in the next video.